Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, November the 10th, 2009, 4:45 p.m. Eastern. Oh, my goodness. Was I wrong or what? Ah, El Cable getting El Crushe as Fitch. As, you know, listen, if you've been listening to mine, you know I said the pound, in my opinion, was the most overvalued currency out there. Sure enough, Fitch, I guess, agrees with me. But, wow. 12 o'clock to come out with that sucker right then and there. Unbelievable. You can't write this crap up. And again, when you look at, the market today, when you look at everything, to me, we're going to see it. We got hangman all over the place. Stock market can rally. And I'm not saying we're done. I'm not saying this dollar move, I still believe the dollar is going to get hit. But now, because we have hangman all over the place, I'm thinking bearish, people. I can't believe it. I know I switched back and forth, but again, we had no follow-through today. Stock market futures were unchanged. We'll look at those in a second, but dollar index didn't crack through the lows, We got Veterans Day, and again, my salute to every person that ever has served in the U.S. military and those of our allies. You guys are the best of the best of the best, baby. You make me feel safe, that's for sure. But Veterans Day tomorrow. Again, just horrible. Fort Hood, anyone that lost any friends or relatives in that, just horrible. Horrible. But, gold up, oil down. So much for that trade. That sucked today. A lot of things sucked today, but not dollar Canada, not Euro Canada. Oh, baby. Those are good, even though I missed Euro Canada. I can't believe it. That was the best trade today. The most volatility we had today was in Euro Canada. Anyway, but again, we got big night tonight. We got big numbers coming out. China, a ton of data coming out at 9 p.m. Eastern. I think that's going to get dollar yen jiggy. I still like this dollar yen. Let's see where it closes in the next 13 minutes, but I still like it. And, of course, we get the Bank of England claimant. We get their non-farm payroll, and we get their quarterly inflation report. Big, in my opinion. So dollar index, again, I think we're probably going to bounce. I mean, there's a doji here. Assuming we close right here, which it looks like we're going to, it looks like, look. Doji, right? Look at that reversal Morningstar, and then boom, up. Maybe we take out the lows. Maybe we retest a little bit. But in my opinion, net, I think we're going up. I think this is going up, dollar index. I don't know how much up. I'm not calling for a bottom in the dollar index. It could be a double bottom. But certainly in the next 24 hours, in my opinion, I would imagine that we are going to see a dollar rally. One man's opinion. Let's take a look at some of the other charts we got here. Where are my other charts? There we go. Take a look at the S&Ps again. That's a doji. It's a boy. Doji. Looks like we're going to come in a little bit. We couldn't punch through 1100. They could have done it today. They didn't. I'm not so bearish on it, but I'm also not as bullish as I was yesterday. Okay? How's that? You tell him, JoJo. So, again, looking at the pound. Jeez, Jiminy, Christmas. Gold. Up $4. Looks like it's going higher. Again, looks like 1120 to me. Looks like go a little higher. That was a terrible trade, that long oil, short gold. Mas horrible. But again, look at this oil. Still looks good. If we close below 77, it's going to look terrible. But unless we close below 77, oil still looks good to me. Let's get to the charts. Again, if you have any questions about premium, and I will be doing the 3-month deal mid-December. It's going to be my little Christmas present to everyone. Yeah. And Hanukkah, of course. Look at this euro dollar. That just looks like a hangman. It does. It's a total freaking hangman. No? I'd love to hear. Email me, info@globalfxradio.com, comment, because that looks like a monster hangman to me. So I think we come in maybe to 49, these last highs, maybe 49.10, something like that. Something. Dollar yen, I know this sounds crazy, but really, if it would have closed at 90.05, I'd be a lot more bullish. I'm a little nervous. We take out 89.50, it's going to look terrible. Again, but my whole channel line still is intact. I still like this. Again, 89.50. Well, again, we could, as long as we don't take out 89.50, I think we're okay. I'm okay. You okay? I think we're okay. We'll see. We might come in a little bit. But dollar yen to me, again, maybe we take out the lows by a little bit and then come right back. Something like that. Cable, look at that monster. 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 Hanging man. And I just want to show you one thing. I don't normally do New Zealand. Look at back here. You see this hanging man? Look at that hanging man. Right? And look what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4 days down. Bang. So I think the same. I think it looks very similar. They broke it out, closed big. And we look at now cable again. I mean, it's not obviously not perfect, but I'm just saying. I think it looks good to the downside. And again, remember, I want to be short sterling for this event. And I still love Euro sterling. I still think that's a buy. Absolutely. I know it reversed, and it looks like a monster shooting star as long as we don't take out 89. I mean, we were up big in this thing. I took some profit, but I'm still long. You know, as long as we don't take out 89 to the downside, even today's low. This is my old propeller pattern. If you know my technical analysis, you got your hammer, you got your shooting star, now you got your propeller. As long as we don't take out this bottom here, we're good. So I still love it. I still love it. So Euro sterling, again, to me, as long as we don't take out today's lows, I still think it's good to go. Looking at this, let's see what else we got. All right, Euro yen. I don't like it now. I'm sorry, people. I know. Listen, this is what it's all about. Pop and stop, baby. I can't, what am I going to tell you? I like it now when this thing looks terrible? This doesn't look so great. I think we come in. I don't think we're going to explode through, maybe, but I doubt it. Again, we take out today's highs and we're gone like the wind, but as long as we don't take that out, I think we come in maybe to 134. Euro comes in a little bit, something like that. But I'm not looking for a collapse, and I'm not looking for an explosion. I think we have another inside day, but it looks like a reversal to me. A little bit. Let's take a look at that. We have time. Pound Aussie. Love it. Love it. Look at that pound Aussie. A little hammer maybe coming back a little bit, but it still looks like it's rolling over. Love it. Big channel line set up here, too. We crack through there. It's going to be like a hot knife in butter. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Euro Canada. I like that trade a lot. Beautiful. Missed it by that much. It rallied a little bit. Can't believe I missed this. This was the best trade. I'm killing myself over this one. It's going lower. It's going to crack through 150, 650. Easy. Easy. It's done. Finished. Fried. Toast. Baked. Whatever you want to call it. It's gone. Like the wind. We're going back down. Love this trade. Top of the channel to you. Sterling yen. Again, if you have any questions about premium, email info@globalfxradio.com, people. Sterling yen, the same thing. Hanging man. Hanging man. We even took our previous day low. Bearish. We didn't take our previous day high. That would have been bullish. This is a bearish signal, in my opinion. One man's opinion. Luna yen, the best trade of the day for me. That's closing actually pretty good. Luna yen, we bought that pullback. That was gorgeous. Luna yen, just phenomenal. Big winner today in that one. Thank God. Aussie yen. It's a doji. It's a boy. It just looks, looks a little toppy. All right, everyone. Again, if you have any questions, again, Twitter. Remember, open your account through Global with FXCM. Oh, dollar. Wait, we looked at dollar index. What did I miss? I feel like I missed something. You open your account through Global with FXCM. Remember, your money's with FXCM. I don't charge you anything. It doesn't cost you a freaking dime. Back to dollar. Not a dime. I don't widen the spread. Don't do anything. And you get my premium twits for free. I didn't twit a lot today. There wasn't much to twit. What are you going to do? Some days you just got nothing. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in forex and other markets that truly loves to make you money. Veterans Day, have a good one.